Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, and I'm back. I'm back with another review. Yes, another review on this hair. So stay tuned. So yes, guys. Yeah, so we're going to talk about this unit. This is from Lydia hair. Now, I don't know if you guys actually remember, you got to go and check the video out where I was talking about the ponytails, if your hair was natural and if you wanted to wear a ponytail just to make it goes with your hair and it's like that kinky texture. Well, this is the same, exactly like the ponytail, same texture, but it's just the hairband with the wig. Right, so I recently got this and I thought I want to give it a try. Now I'm still trying to work out this bit here, why this is hanging this way. But hey, I'm here to give you my honest review on this hair. Now, so don't mind this hanging because I just wanted to show you guys as well. Now, this literally is a 22-inch and it is color 99J. And at the moment, I'm just feeling color 99J at this moment in time because I was going to get the black, but at the moment I'm rocking, you know, the red and the color 99J. So we're going to leave it with this color. Now, this comes in 8 different colors. So there's loads of different colors for you guys. If you're a color 4 or if you want a 1B, it comes in color 1, color 1B, color 2, color 4, color 27, color 30, color 33, just so much different colors. I'll leave the link down below for you to check out, as I always do anyway. So just have a look at that. And yes, so it comes in 3 inches, which is very good because at least you've got a choice on what you want to have. So it comes in inch 18, inch 20, and inch 22. This is an inch 22, which I do like it long. And yeah, so it's up to you. If you don't want it this long, you can go for 18, which is quite good. It's up to you. And I like the fact that it comes in a different type of inches, because some of them, I was looking on them and some of them literally just come in 1 inch. You don't have a choice of what inch you want. So I think that's a really good one. Now, let's talk about this band. So with this band, as you can see, it's like a Velcro, can't pronounce it, but you know what I mean, like a Velcro. And then on here, so literally you put it behind your ears and at the back of your nape and just click it on. So you can bend it back. I think the best thing is to bend it back so that way that bit stays down. I don't know why that bit is sticking up like that, because you should have an option if you don't want to bend it back. But yeah, you bend it back. I'm just going to push it a bit forward. Yeah. So yeah, I like it. Now, it did come with quite a few things in the bag, which I thought they were very generous actually. Very generous. How many things like came with? Earrings, a necklace, came with a little scrunchie. It came with this necklace, which oh, it's actually not a necklace, it's actually a choker. So it came with a choker. Did you see that? It came with a choker. That's quite good. And it came with some star earrings. Oh, you guys are going to see my nails. My nails are really bad. And obviously head tights. And then it came with this headband. And when you do purchase it, on the pictures it does have the headbands it come with. So obviously these are the crochet headbands. I'm not really a fan of this. This is not my style. But let's see how it looks. Goodness gracious, just to put a headband on. Boy, I'll probably advise you to get those headbands where you just tie up yourself, because to be putting the hair through and having to do all this stuff, it's just long. So anyways, this is the headband it came with. And yeah, so obviously it's kind of that kind of winter theme if you're, you know, if you're into crochet and stuff. Personally, I do not like this headband. Yeah, I don't like this headband. It's just my choice. Yeah, so it comes with this, guys. And I really, really like how light and fluffy it is. It's just so fluffy. There's no knots or anything. I can run my fingers through it. There's not like one knot here at all. So I really, really like this. The only thing, I just don't like the headband. But you can change that anyway. Just get another head, like just go to the shop and get a headband. But yes, guys, so that is it for my review. Leave your comments down below. If you are thinking about getting this, let me know how you get on. And yeah, and what you think, because I don't really like this headband. But yes, guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.